Hi, my name is Lorianne Cercina, and I'm a U.S. Business Immigration Attorney. Today's presentation is a quick discussion about L1A job titles, duties, and supporting documentation. Now, I've worked on a lot of L1A petitions for CEOs and high-level managers, and I tend to get a lot of pushback when I ask for an expanded job description and hundreds of pages of evidence in support of the petition. A lot of clients say, "But I'm the CEO," or "I'm the director." What more do you need? Having a C-level or managerial title is great, but your job title alone is not enough to get your L1A petition approved. While I know many of my clients qualify for the L1A visa, we need to convince the USCIS. In order to get the case approved, we need to provide a detailed job description and extensive documentation to evidence those duties and prove that the applicant is actually carrying out those duties. To understand the expanded job description that is required for your filing, we will first need to mirror your job duties with the USCIS's definition of managerial and executive duties. Then, once we've outlined the primary job duties for your position, we will need to provide subtasks that describe how you will carry out each primary job duty. It is not enough to say that you oversee and manage the entire company or a department. You will need to describe how you carry out your job duties. You must explain and describe how you manage your organization. Do you review and prepare reports to analyze how your team or department is performing? If you supervise direct reports, explain how you supervise and control their work. If you don't supervise direct reports, explain how you manage an essential function of the company. For example, do you hold regular meetings with direct reports, indirect reports, or the executive team? How do you delegate work? If you have the authority to hire, fire, or recommend personnel actions, do you interview candidates, make offers of employment, approve salaries, bonuses, time off, or do you address employee performance issues? If you set company goals and policies, list out specific goals and policies that you have personally created or approved. Once you've expanded your job duties and subtasks, you'll have a list of the documents you need to support your filing. Basically, provide documentary evidence to support each one of your job duties and tasks. For example, if you say you delegate work to your direct reports, then provide evidence of you delegating work, such as email communications, memos, screenshots of your calendar showing regular meetings with your direct reports, or maybe reports prepared by your direct reports. If you establish policies and goals, provide copies of them. Show how you implemented those policies or met those goals. At minimum, you will need an organizational chart with direct report names and job titles. You will need the resumes and CVs for each of your direct reports. If you oversee or manage a department or function of the company and don't have any direct reports, then provide an organizational chart where your department function falls within the company and that you report to an executive or high-level manager. As an executive or manager, there should be documentation to show that you make important decisions on behalf of the company, manage large budgets, generate large amounts of revenue, approve, deny personnel actions, and/or delegate work to others. Every L1A petition is different, so the supporting documentation will vary from case to case, and it will depend on the nature of the company and the specific job duties involved. Please make sure to consult with an immigration attorney to come up with a solid game plan for a successful L1A case. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. Please reach out for further inquiries. Thank you.